Did you know that joint pain affects 1 in 4 adults worldwide, often leading to reduced mobility and a lower quality of life? And do you also suffer from joint pain that just won't go away? What if I told you there's a simple, natural trick to eliminate joint pain that could transform your life? Whether it's from arthritis, injury, or everyday wear and tear, joint pain is something millions of people deal with. But there's hope, and it's easier than you think to start feeling relief. Let's get into the details. Joint pain is often caused by inflammation, which happens when the tissues around your joints become irritated. The most common causes? Osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, or simply aging. Over time, the cartilage that cushions your joints wears down, leading to stiffness and pain, especially in the knees, hips, and hands. But here's the trick. Reducing inflammation naturally can make a world of difference. What's the secret? It starts with something you can find in almost every grocery store: turmeric. Turmeric contains a powerful compound called curcumin, which has been scientifically proven to reduce inflammation and ease joint pain. A 2016 study showed that curcumin can reduce pain and improve mobility just as effectively as over-the-counter pain relievers like ibuprofen. Adding turmeric to your daily routine, whether in your meals or as a supplement, can start giving you relief in just a few weeks. But that's not all. If you combine turmeric with collagen, your joints will thank you even more. Collagen is a protein that supports the structure of your cartilage, keeping your joints cushioned and flexible. As we age, our body's natural collagen production slows down, leading to more stiffness and pain. But the good news is, collagen supplements can help rebuild that lost cartilage. Studies show that taking collagen daily can reduce joint pain by up to 40%, especially in people with arthritis. Now, let's talk about movement. When your joints hurt, the last thing you might want to do is exercise. But here's a fact. The right kind of exercise can actually reduce pain. Gentle, low-impact activities like walking, swimming, or cycling strengthen the muscles around your joints, making them more stable and easing the strain on them. Aim for at least 30 minutes a day, and you'll see noticeable improvements in flexibility and pain levels. Stretching exercises also help to keep your joints loose and mobile. And don't forget about diet. What you eat can make a huge difference. A Mediterranean diet, which is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and healthy fats, has been shown to reduce inflammation throughout the body. Include more fatty fish like salmon, leafy greens like spinach, and healthy oils like olive oil in your meals. Berries and nuts are also great anti-inflammatory foods that can help keep your joints in top shape. One more simple trick. Stay hydrated. Water keeps the cartilage in your joints lubricated, and when you're dehydrated, your joints are more likely to become stiff and inflamed. Make sure to drink enough water throughout the day. About 8 glasses is a good target. And here's the final piece of the puzzle: maintaining a healthy weight. Every extra pound you carry puts added pressure on your joints, especially your knees. By shedding even a small amount of weight, just 10 pounds, you can reduce the pressure on your knees by 40 pounds, dramatically easing your joint pain. So there you have it. If you want to eliminate joint pain, start with this simple, natural combination: turmeric for inflammation, collagen for cartilage repair, low-impact exercise for strength, and a healthy diet to reduce pain at its source. Stick with it, and you'll be amazed at how quickly your joint pain can become a thing of the past. Your body and your joints will thank you.